Here are today's top news stories and why they matter. Ghana's President John Mahama has pardoned 998 inmates across the country, most of whom are first-time offenders. This move, grounded in Ghana's constitutional powers, is seen as a major step towards prison reform. Why does this matter? Overcrowding and poor human rights conditions in Ghana's prisons have been major concerns recently. The mass pardon could ease pressure on the system, reduce public spending on incarceration, and signal a shift towards more humane justice policies. Similar actions have recently been taken in Nigeria, Rwanda, and Ethiopia. A Tanzanian court's decision to bar live coverage of the ongoing treason trial against the country's main opposition leader, Tundu Lissu, has been heavily criticized by some citizens and activists. The decision, prompted by a request from state prosecutors, aims to protect civilian witnesses involved in the case. DW's Naomi Jaseda has the details.
This ruling is significant as it limits public access to the trial proceedings. However, state prosecutors argue that the move is necessary to safeguard the identities of civilian witnesses. The court accepted the prosecution's reasoning and ordered that case documents be amended to conceal witness identities. The court also warned that anyone, including media outlets, who publishes such information without official authorization will face legal consequences. Tundu Lissu, chairman of the Chadema party, has openly criticized the court's decision. Here are some reactions from Tanzanians.
It is going to affect the interests of the public because the public had tuned itself to follow up the case and research the case, and it has brought a number of feelings and mixed feelings.
It's hard to believe that there will be justice in such sensitive cases like treason charges. In such cases, undermine trust in the legal system and create a perception of opacity, making it harder for the public to see justice being fairly administered.
The ban of live coverage, it feels like the court want to hide the truth from the public.
It may seem like the system is hiding information or protecting powerful individuals from scrutiny.
And finally, US President Donald Trump has announced plans to host a high-level meeting between Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and Russian President Vladimir Putin. The announcement followed a day of intense diplomacy at the White House. Why does this matter? This initiative marks a dramatic shift from Zelensky's tense visit to Washington earlier this year. Ukraine's proposed $90 billion weapons deal underscores its long-term defense strategy. Whether this leads to a breakthrough or another stalled peace effort depends on the success of the proposed trilateral talks and any resulting ceasefire or territorial agreements. And that's all the time we had for today. Don't forget to leave a comment, share, like, and subscribe to our channel, DW Africa. I'm Lucy Riley.